Well, for Kumasi Asante Kotoko opponents in the international friendly ever so Tuesday Baba Sports Stadium near Asec Mimosa omone without for any boy omulusu game no by 1-0 now 1-0 no what it means they say a defeat without consequence. What it means they say omulusu game no by 1-0 but still na Asec Mimosa a qualifier. Omo movie out of the group as you say, omo caught in the last 8 of the Champions League. Asec for qualify. This is Champions League, qualify. That's Asec Mimosa home. Wa qualify. Na no follows after 1-0 defeat against without Morocco. Na say omo de omani HMU Kumasi omo be share Krobia Sante Kotoko'S metema President Kapa is scheduled for Tuesday and as a game ever so abusuafo bomienti na yenhye no so sa game a free gate international friendly Kotoko'S release flyer for the game omo twen Asec Mimosa Kotoko'S Asec Mimosa and the Tuesday 4 p.m. Baba Yara Sports Stadium. This is unmissable. Krum ha yenhye Asec wa qualify Champions League wa qualify to the quarterfinals enye better crowd. So Asec team Tuesday yehe omanim Baba Yara Sports Stadium and that screen so it was a very strong card and a Caf for so fly away and they congratulate omo. This is the last 8 teams that qualify for the Caf Champions League. Enye betel ebeka kra Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We are going to see the club at this level. Nansi ayetete se sikani millionaire cheddar eba on board African football it is about investment. Sika upompi sika eurem sa upompi sika na eurem the right investment it is going to give you the results. Now Tuesday yebehwe clue kakra photo we so photo moko Tanzania club bi wo ye friend no Simba omo rivals ni Yanga na omo so qualify to the Champions League last of 8 na omo qualify na omo mpanyifo de omo cash rewards omo stadium we enya afi na ye ntwentwen su bia Gauta Ganama ena omo sika ye danema players ni the Africa we kai Ghana Brazil 2014 ye swa $3 million and they call Brazil kroma da be obi was here because modwuma ni de na katua fata no nti oze ye pon ball na tse de panyefo kan no obi adwuma man fifire ne wo na omri omu sika bra omo we ye modad ne Asec game no stadium ho yes omo Zara for ne de ball no mu follow. So Tuesday yenhia Baba Yara Sports Stadium.